Coal is a black sedimentary rock that can be burned for fuel and to generate electricity. Most of the world's coal began to develop about 300 million years ago, during the Carboniferous period when the Earth was covered in wide, shallow seas and dense forests. The seas occasionally flooded the forested areas, trapping plants and algae at the bottom of a swampy wetland. Over time, the plants and algae were buried and compressed under the weight of overlying mud and vegetation. These areas of buried and compressed plant matter are called peat bogs. Peat bogs store massive amounts of carbon many meters underground. Peat transforms into coal through a process called carbonization. Carbonization takes place under intense heat and pressure. About 3 meters of layered vegetation eventually compresses into less than a meter of coal. Coal exists in underground formations called coal seams or coal beds. A coal seam can be as thick as 30 meters and stretch 1,500 kilometers wide. Once coal has been extracted, it can be used directly for heating and industrial processes. Writings and archaeological findings suggest ancient Chinese and Romans were the first to use coal as an energy source for cooking, heating, and metalworking. During the 18th century, coal powered the Industrial Revolution. Coal provided the steam and power needed to mass-produce items, generate electricity, and fuel steamships and trains that were necessary to transport items for trade. Built in 1926, St. James Power Station was Singapore's first coal-fired power plant. It supplied electricity to the nearby port and surrounding industries, shipyards, and residences. It was decommissioned in 1976. Coal is a non-renewable source of energy. A finite amount of it exists on our planet. Burning coal releases toxins and greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide. This impacts the local air quality and contributes to global warming. Therefore, it is important to develop technologies that reduce harmful emissions and improve the efficiency of coal-fired power plants.